Welcome to the Skilled MBA Entrepreneurship Case Study Series. At Skilled MBA, we explore how tech-driven ventures scale beyond borders by aligning strategy, capability, and market realities. Today's case highlights Dronelab Technology Pivot Limited, founded by Nikhil Mehta, a rising player in India's drone ecosystem, offering services in surveying and mapping, precision agriculture surveillance, and monitoring now. At a pivotal growth stage, Dronelab is evaluating global expansion into Europe and Africa. Key strategic considerations include assessing market potential across regulatory environments, infrastructure readiness, and demand patterns, mapping the competitive landscape and identifying region-specific use cases, aligning expansion with Dronelab's core competencies and scalable tech model, exploring partnerships, entry modes, and localization strategies for long-term success. This case invites a deeper look into how innovation can be globalized through strategic alignment and cross-border foresight. Dronelab Technology Pivot Limited, founded by Nikhil Mehta, excels in drone services for surveying, precision agriculture, and surveillance in India. The company now faces a pivotal decision. Should it expand globally to Europe and Africa, or is this move premature? This decision requires careful analysis of market readiness and strategic alignment with current capabilities. Explore new venture creation by understanding entrepreneurship dynamics in tech sectors with limited resources. Delve into effectuation theory, focusing on building ventures through available means. Analyze social network utilization to drive growth and opportunities. Apply strategic decision-making using frameworks like strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to evaluate expansion options in uncertain environments. Entrepreneurship courses equip students with startup fundamentals and venture creation principles, essential for navigating emerging technology sectors. Incubation programs offer early-stage founders growth strategies and scaling insights, crucial for leveraging limited resources. Executive education provides professionals with advanced venture creation and execution modules, enhancing strategic decision-making and social network utilization for business growth. Nikhil began his entrepreneurial journey with limited resources, leveraging local networks and identifying market gaps in drone services. He bootstrapped development, focusing on immediate customer needs without significant external funding. Strategic partnerships through social platforms provided complementary resources and expertise. By diversifying clients across sectors, he built resilience and unlocked new opportunities. Effectuation. Theory emphasizes starting with available means, as seen in Nikhil's use of personal knowledge and networks. The bird-in-hand principle highlights leveraging existing resources. The affordable loss principle focuses on minimizing risk by concentrating on manageable losses rather than potential gains, ensuring sustainable growth and resilience in uncertain environments. The crazy quilt principle emphasizes co-creation with stakeholders, building a network of committed partners. The lemonade principle involves turning surprises into opportunities, adapting to market changes. The pilot in the plane principle focuses on controlling the future through decisive actions rather than predictions, ensuring proactive adaptation in dynamic environments. Dronelab's SWOT analysis reveals strengths like niche expertise and an agile team, yet highlights weaknesses such as limited international exposure and resource constraints. Opportunities include growing demand in agriculture and defense, while threats involve complex regulations and geopolitical uncertainties. Addressing these factors is crucial for successful global expansion. Assessing market readiness in Europe and Africa is crucial for Dronelab's expansion. Navigating diverse drone regulations and import-export rules will impact operations significantly. Identifying strategic cross-border partnerships can ease market entry. Evaluating capital requirements ensures sustainable growth without overextension, balancing investment with potential returns. Dronelab's organizational culture thrives on open innovation, promoting cross-departmental idea sharing to drive new solutions. Continuous learning is integral, with regular skill development sessions and technology updates keeping the team at the forefront. This culture not only supports innovation, but also ensures adaptability in diverse markets. Documenting core values ensures cultural consistency during expansion. Cultural ambassadors who exemplify these values lead new international teams. Consistent onboarding processes immerse new members in the culture globally. Regular reinforcement systems maintain cultural alignment across dispersed teams, ensuring a unified organizational identity. Strategic partnerships with local firms can mitigate risks and provide valuable market insights. Modular expansion allows testing with limited services before committing fully. A digital-first approach prioritizes online presence, reducing initial infrastructure costs. Each strategy offers unique risk-reward profiles, aligning with effectuation theory, and must balance Dronelab's capabilities with market opportunities. Nikhil's entrepreneurial vision capitalized on emerging drone technologies, overcoming resource constraints. He strategically leveraged social networks to access vital resources and market opportunities. Effectual reasoning guided his means-driven approach in uncertain markets, balancing growth ambitions with operational capabilities. A strong cultural foundation fostered innovation and adaptability, crucial for Dronelab's success. Nikhil's approach exemplified effectuation by leveraging available resources and networks, crucial for Dronelab's success. Global expansion, based on strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis, requires careful consideration of market conditions. Maintaining a knowledge-sharing culture internationally poses challenges, necessitating strategic cultural scaling. Enhancing network utilization can facilitate smoother expansion by tapping into existing relationships for market insights and resource access. Thank you for exploring this global strategy case study with Skilled MBA. We hope Dronelab's expansion journey sparked ideas around scaling innovation, market fit, and cross-border strategic decision-making. For more case studies on tech expansion, international strategy, and innovation leadership, connect with us. Mobile +91 87553 00795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website https://skilledmba.com.